Welcome to our C# programming lesson. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of conditional statements in C# by creating a straightforward legal age checker. This program will prompt users to input their age, and based on their input, it will determine whether they are considered a minor or an adult. The legal age checker program follows a simple structure. First, the program prompts the user to enter their age. Then, it uses an if-else statement to determine if the entered age is less than 18, considering the user a minor, or 18 and above, considering the user an adult. Finally, the program displays a message indicating whether the user is a minor or an adult. Let's dive into the code and explore each step. Feel free to follow along and don't hesitate to experiment with the code to solidify your understanding. The program prompts the user to enter their age. It reads the user input as a string. It attempts to parse the input as an integer using int.TryParse. If parsing is successful, it checks whether the age is less than 18 and prints the corresponding message. If parsing fails, or if the age is not a valid integer, it notifies the user about the invalid input. This program ensures that the user inputs a valid age as a number and provides an appropriate response based on whether the person is a minor or an adult. Watch the video on how the legal age checker works in C#. This lesson introduced C# programming through a practical legal age checker, focusing on conditional statements, user input handling, and application flow control. Learners explored the if-else statement for decision-making, numeric comparison, and variable usage. Emphasis on error handling, user feedback, and best coding practices ensured robust and readable code. By building an interactive age checker, learners gained essential programming skills, preparing them for advanced C# concepts. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for developing more sophisticated applications. Congratulations on completing this lesson. Keep coding and continue exploring new challenges in C#. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my legal age checker tutorial in C#. I really appreciate you taking the time to follow along, and I hope you learned something new today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot.